Hey guys, what's up? Today we're looking at the Samsung Galaxy S5 again. In my previous video, I showed how to remove the power button from the Samsung Galaxy S5, and in the comments person were asking about replacing the buttons. Today we'll be looking at removing the buttons and jump starting the phone in the event you rip the ribbon when removing the plastic covers. Thanks for the comments guys, I really appreciate them, and I'll definitely try to answer any questions that you guys have, so keep the comments coming guys. I'm going to be showing you how you can replace or remove these buttons, power buttons and the volume buttons from the device, and how you can jumpstart the phone using a metal tool if it is that you are waiting on your replacement ribbon. Okay, so let's get to it. So I'm applying heat at 100 degrees. So you just need to get into the crevices, slide something in there and just start prying it up. Right, as you can see here, it was warm enough, so you just have to be careful. Be careful not to bend the plastic too much because you can break it, as I keep repeating guys. Now if you need more heat, of course you apply more heat as you go. Right, get your pry tools, your spudger, and just pry in between. Know that the plastic is so, the glue between the plastics are so weak. Right, and here it is. Right, so now that we have this thing here removed, right, let's move this aside. And now remember the power ribbon from the last video. Right, this thing is in place here. So what you have to do to remove the button, you can do two things. You can remove the ribbon first, or you could just get, like me here, a piece of a pin, right, and here, right, if you can, in there still a bit dirty, right, it's pressing. So what you need to do to remove the button is to slide it in between here, right. Let's see if I can zoom. Alright guys, so what you need to do in order to remove the button, this should be good enough. Alright, so what you need to do guys is to get your pin here and get it in between over to the creases here. You don't want to press the middle here if you're not removing the switch, the ribbon. Get it over to the creases over here and just pry inwards or outwards, whichever it is, right, to get the button situated outside. Yes, to remove the volume keys is the same procedure. Apply heat, remove this part here, and then just pry out the button. Alright, so let's get to it. So in the event you rip the power ribbon or it's defective and you're waiting on a replacement but you need to use the phone in the meantime, don't worry. 1. Simply make sure the battery is installed, and 2. Use a piece of metal like a pin, paper clip or a SIM card ejector tool like I have here.